Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month to offer you an amazing 10% deposit bonus of any size when you deposit above $500 on their platform. For example, you could deposit 10k and get a 1k bonus totally for free, which is absolutely insane. Obviously you can do the maths on any deposits above that. Link is below in the description. Make sure you sign up and get involved today. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame. As we can see, not too much to report here, just a very clean sideways action, currently at support again, as we can see on the chart quite clearly here. Pretty much following exactly what a lot of the altcoin pairs and the altcoin basket specifically has been doing over the past few weeks. Vechain is definitely in the basket of cryptocurrencies that's held this little range that we've been in for a little while. You can see if we look across the pairs, Solana actually broke out because of the Trump token being launched. Polygon's actually broken down. Chainlink has come back inside. Injective actually broke down from its range. We've got Dogecoin, some of the other large caps as well. Let me just find what we're looking for here. Cardano coming down towards the bottom of its range. Polkadot actually lost its range low. Quant here at its range low. So you can see pretty much all of our large caps are moving pretty damn similar. You can see Bitcoin here definitely putting in a range as well with some big bearish divergences. So in my opinion, we could be looking at more downside for Bitcoin. Obviously, if that was the case, we'd see Vechain probably break down from this area. But right now, moving pretty much in tandem with so many other altcoins. That big move that we saw recently with the Trump getting elected as the president, obviously, for that big descending wedge since then, and then coming into a range in the local area that we can see here. For Vechain, you can see right now, but that nice move, a little bit of a retrace, popping sideways here and heading into a level of support, as we can see. Bouncing back up to this area here would be quite likely if Bitcoin does rally, as we continue to go sideways here. Vechain's direction obviously will be heavily influenced by what happens to Bitcoin as usual. If you don't think that Bitcoin influences the price action of Vechain, then you probably need to do a bit more research on how cryptocurrencies move. Because if I'm being completely honest, basically all of Vechain's price action is dictated by what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin drops, then the whole market drops. We know this by now if you've been in crypto for any length of time. If Bitcoin goes up and then starts to go sideways for a while, we do see that nice capital rotation into our altcoins. But because Bitcoin's been going sideways for a while, we have seen some selling off across the market. Vechain has sold off into an area where we are currently going sideways. If Bitcoin drops again, Vechain will drop again. If Bitcoin does get a pump up to a new all-time high and then starts to cool off, we could see that capital rotating as it gets that selling off into some of these cryptos like Vechain. And we are looking for potentially that next leg up in the market, maybe the final leg up in this cycle. If we look at what's happening on the charts, you can see we've had those 1, 2, 3 legs up so far for Vechain. Is this still the third leg here where we'll get that overextension followed by a big cooling off period and the final 5th wave? Or is the third wave already completed here and we are just going to cool off for a while now, head back down towards this 3 cent area, just like we did in this second leg, before that final move to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside that would be, to an all-time high in my opinion that we'll see for Vechain up towards 50 cents, maybe even $1. From the current price, we are sitting out of around 4.3 cents. That would be quite a nice 10 or 20x from the current price. We could see ourselves retracing much more if Bitcoin does drop like I think it might. Right now, not much to report. As I said, we are just chilling and waiting to see what Bitcoin does next. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up to BTCC to get your free 10% deposit bonus and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.